Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have 4 kitchen DIY decor ideas that I want to show you guys. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's what I'm going to be doing for my home. I just think it's really chic and beautiful. They're very easy and very minimum items that you need to use to do these DIYs, and I absolutely love it. I feel like they're very chic and elegant, but like I said, everything is from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to get right into it, but before we begin guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week and I would love to have you, so why not join me? And do not forget to also click that notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into the DIY. I'm so excited about this, so let's do this. So for the first DIY, I'm gonna be doing these coasters, and they are so simple and fast, but they look so chic. So all you're gonna need is some old like coasters. I was gonna throw these away, but then I was like, you know what, I can remake these and make them beautiful. So all you're gonna need is some old coasters, or you can just use the rope itself, and then you're gonna need some nautical rope. Now this, you can do the coasters by itself without using an actual coaster, if you know what I mean, but I'm gonna use this because I feel like it's a little more sturdy and I like that. And then you're also gonna need some hot glue and a hot glue gun. I do use this board just so that way it does not go on my rug. But let's get started guys. So all I'm gonna do is start in the middle right here and then hot glue it. So I'm gonna place some hot glue right here and just place it like so. Make sure you kind of hold it down for a little bit just so that way it really sticks. And the first part of this, make sure that it's really nice and glued, because if you do not glue it tight enough, it will not look great. And then as I go, I just keep putting hot glue until everything is filled in. So and also I am gonna wrap it around the edges of this, if you can see that. And I just want to add to this guys, the reason why I use old coasters to make this coaster with nautical rope is because I like it, because it's more elevated. So I just like that elevated look, so that is the reason why I did it. But like I said, you do not need a coaster, you can just use nautical rope, and this was basically a $1 DIY. So what I decided to do is wrap these with different kinds of ropes. So for the first one, I'm using nautical rope. The second one, I'm just gonna use natural jute cord because I like that multi-dimensional look. And then the third one is the more white looking one. Moving on to the next project, all I'm gonna do is wrap this in jute cord. It is a napkin holder, but honestly I do not like the stainless steel, so I am gonna wrap it. I gotta tell you guys, this is a little bit more time consuming because it's a lot of wrapping, but if you're patient it turns out really great. All I'm gonna do is wrap this in jute cord and hot glue it, and that's basically it. Okay guys, so for the next DIY, it is so simple and fast. These are napkin rings, and I just think that it just makes it very chic to have napkin rings, especially if you like entertaining and, you know, just having gathering. All you're gonna need for this DIY is a roll of toilet paper, or I don't know what this is called, just the toilet roll, some jute twine, some scissors, hot glue and hot glue gun, and the only thing I'm gonna do is cut this in 4 pieces. And I'm gonna wrap this in this jute twine with hot glue, and that is basically it. It is so simple. I do recommend holding it like this as you wrap it. I just feel like you'll have more control and it'll be easy and faster. Hey guys, okay, so for the last DIY, I'm gonna do table placements. So I'm gonna do 4 of them because I have 4 chairs, and these are super simple. Like I said, all you have to do is wrap the rope circular motion until you have the size that you want it. Now I do have that plate over there, and I do want it to be bigger than that one. So when I reach a certain point that I think I want it the way I do, I'm gonna use that plate as comparison and kind of as my guide to help me. So I would make sure that the placement is bigger than the plate, because that's actually a really big plate. It's actually a charger, and I want it to be bigger so that way it looks really nice and it stands out against any plate that I put it on. This again is super simple. You just need nautical rope and some hot glue, and go circular motion, hot glue it together, and that is it, and it looks so chic. So let's get into it. And one tip guys, make sure that you lay it flat as you hot glue it, because if you don't, it's gonna start looking lumpy. So if you want it to make sure that it's straight and perfect, make sure you have it on a hard surface. I have a cardboard. So yeah guys, that was everything. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that way I know and I can keep posting more DIYs. I really hope that you guys got some inspiration from it. If you guys have still not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. And thank you so much. And remember, until next time, stay blessed. Bye.